If you're seeing the Epic Games too many requests error, don't panic. This is usually a temporary block, and in most cases you can fix it without reinstalling anything or changing your account. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to get back into Epic Games Launcher or the Epic Games website, step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, understand what this error usually means. Epic Games is seeing too many sign-in or access requests from your device or your network in a short amount of time, so it temporarily slows things down or blocks further requests. That can happen after repeated login attempts, switching tabs too quickly, using a VPN, or even because of cached data that's no longer valid. The good news is that this is often temporary. The first fix is simple. Wait 10 to 30 minutes. If Epic Games has placed a short-term block on your connection, giving it some time can clear it automatically. While you wait, completely close the Epic Games Launcher or the browser tab you were using. Don't just minimize it, fully exit it so it resets properly. Next, restart your browser or launcher. If you were on the website, close your browser completely and open it again. If you were using the Epic Games Launcher, close it from the system tray as well, then reopen it. Sometimes, the launcher keeps a session alive in the background and restarting it forces a clean reconnect. After that, restart your internet connection. A quick way to do this is to power off your router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. If you're on Wi-Fi, this can help clear a network level issue that may be triggering the error. Once your connection is back, try signing in again, but avoid repeatedly refreshing the page or clicking login over and over. If you use a VPN, and turn it off. VPNs can sometimes make Epic Games think multiple requests are coming from unusual or shared locations, and that can trigger the too many requests message. Disable the VPN completely, then try again on your normal connection. If the error disappears, the VPN was likely the issue. Now let's clear cache, which is one of the most effective fixes. If you're using a browser, clear the cache and cookies for Epic Games or clear your browser data entirely if needed. Cached login data can become stale and cause the site to keep sending repeated requests that Epic rejects. If you're using the launcher, clear its cache as well. After clearing cache, restart the browser or launcher and log in again. If the problem still continues, try a different network. One of the fastest ways to test this is by using a mobile hotspot from your phone. This helps you see whether the issue is tied to your home network or your device. If Epic Games works on the hotspot but not on your main internet, then your original network may be temporarily rate limited or flagged. In that case, waiting a little longer and using a fresh connection later usually helps. While you're testing, make sure you're not opening multiple Epic Games tabs or repeatedly attempting to sign in from different devices at the same time. That can keep triggering the same request limit. Keep it simple. One device, one login attempt, one clean session. So to recap the best fixes, wait 10 to 30 minutes, restart the launcher or browser, restart your router, turn off your VPN, clear cache, and try a different network like mobile hotspot. In most cases, one of those steps will clear the Epic Games too many requests error and let you back in. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more short, useful troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a second video showing how to fix Epic Games login errors, launcher errors, or sign-in loops next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.